Dito tayo sa Ocean View. Ocean View Beach. So nice. Where are we now?
We are
Around
what's known as San Bruno Avenue.
Ah, okay.
And we're at the grocery outlet, Bargain Market.
We're at the grocery market. Oh, this is nice. Oh my gosh, it's so cheap here. Grocery outlet, the Bargain Market.
Yes.
No, it's okay. Hi there. Dito tayo sa Ocean View Beach. Okay. And this is us. My Pierre.
Hey y'all.
Hello. Yeah.
Very
Ay,
nice.
may kadate ang lola nyo. Lola nyo. Lola. That's so nice. So how can you go there?
Oh,
It's the other way.
yeah. You have to
It's a
go
long
down.
way. No, I won't.
Yeah.
I won't. Okay. So lakwatsa tayo ngayon. Meron tayong kadate. Oh, so nice. Relax muna tayo, mga beshi. Ayan, oh. Kasama tayo. May kasama tayo. Hi guys. Where are we now?
We are around what's known as San Bruno Avenue.
Ah, okay.
And we're at the grocery outlet, Bargain Market.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
We're at the grocery market. Let's try this. Teka, ba't ba ako nag-English? Ah, this is nice. Oh, it's cheaper here. I like it. $5.99. Elsewhere, $6.99.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Don't put that in the video. Oh look, they got a whole bunch of shit. So, you want me to get a card for you?
No.
Okay.
No. Oh my gosh. It's so cheap here. Yeah. Unlike Costco in Walgreens. So, what store is this again?
This is a grocery outlet.
Grocery outlet.
Bargain Market.
Grocery outlet, the Bargain Market.
Yes.
Oh. It's so cheap.
Yeah, oh, they got water
Compared.
bottles? Nice.
Yeah, that's cheap.
I got my big ass water bottles now.
Oh my gosh. Let's shop here next time.
Yes. Let me know when you want to go.
Yeah.
$5? I like these motherfuckers.
Oh,
That was
okay.
in the oven and shit a little bit with your coffee. Yeah.
Do you drink coffee?
Cool. Yeah. Yeah, I drink coffee every now and then.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
That's how I know
Do you
my
do?
McDonald's tax.
Yeah, of course.
333.
Oh, this is all.
Grab and go.